all the way from Lake Pukakai. P-U-K-A-K-I-A-I. Be careful when you Google it. 2 cups of risotto rice will serve 4 people. So I'm going to do about 1.5 cups because it's quite small cups. You need to coat the rice in olive oil until it's glossy. If you're Italian and you're watching this, please turn it off. Because this is like a kind of winging it recipe. There's 2 ways to make risotto. One where you just put it all in and just hope for the best, and there's one where you don't stop stirring. The way that I was taught is that you don't stop stirring. So a little life hack, if you're doing the one where you've got to constantly watch the pan, is pour yourself a large glass of wine because it can get very boring. You need about double the amount of stock to the rice, vegetable stock. We usually have a jug, but we're using a pan.
Because we're in a camper van.
Because we're in a camper van. Put in the veg stock and then just stir for a good long time until the rice gets bigger. Plenty pepper, plenty salt. I've got a little sous chef. Look over here.
I'm the professional chorizo chopper.
Chorizo chopper. Chop it away. Darren likes me on sausage duty.
Sausage watch.
Sausage watch. This is when it starts to actually look like risotto. Added in the peas. Gonna chuck in the chorizo. Maybe not with one hand. Yeah, go. Sous chef, quick. Quick, it's burning.
I can't see.
Okay, go.
Oh, well done.
Teamwork makes the dream work. Chuck down some fresh basil. Maybe a bit big. Maybe a bit much basil. Chucked in the peas. You've got peppers, onion, chorizo. Just everything we'd left in the cupboard, basically.
Olives.
Dan's added olives to his because we have some olives left, but that's maybe a bit
Watch this.
different.
Do you want me to taste it?
That's Italian to extreme.
Let me taste it. It looks delightful, doesn't it? Bon appetit.
What do you think?
Beautiful. The mix of the pepper, the chorizo, the arborio rice just makes it a delightful, delightful dish.
Is the best risotto you've ever had?
I've had your mum's risotto.